Now you've understood Toronto's growing season, it's time to decide where your garden is going to live. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is buying plants first and only then wondering where to put them. Instead, let your garden tell you what it can grow. Spend a day simply observing your outdoor space. Where does the morning sun fall? Which areas are sunny all afternoon? Are there places that remain shaded for most of the day? Most vegetables, including tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers and beans, need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunshine every day to produce their best crops. If your garden receives less sunlight, don't worry, there are still plenty of options. Lettuce, spinach and many herbs and beautiful foliage plants such as hostas are quite happy with partial shade. And once you know how much sunlight your space receives, choosing plants becomes much easier. And remember, you don't need a large garden.